Hey you guys, okay, so today I am so excited. First of all, we're gonna talk about my hair, okay, in a second, but we're talking about all these items that are huge game changers for your skin, for your makeup, for your whole look, for everything, just that may not be makeup. We always think, oh, well, the makeup product's gonna make a big difference, this, that, whatever. Sometimes certain tools can make a huge difference, things that I'm not always including in videos or in tutorials or in skincare, videos where I'm just talking about my cleansers and my moisturizers and treatments, from certain skin prep things, toning things that you can do to your skin, things that are gonna make a huge, huge difference in how everything looks. All the way to your makeup mirror and this fun little beauty blender that's like one of those mystery ones. It's a sweet surprise mini blind bag. So you open it up and it can be like all these different ones, including like maybe this rare one. Maybe we'll get that. But you guys, I got my hair cut. I went really short again. I'm always kind of like a long, short kind of gal. It's very straight across, no crazy layers. It's easy. I can wear it super sleek if I want to. I can mess it up and make it look crazy. I am all about the short hair life again now. So it's been a long time since I've styled super short hair. So it's kind of really fun, getting used to it again. But yeah, after having my extensions and then getting them taken out and feeling how light and nice. I have finer hair anyway, so short hair always really works and it's good. I thought I'm gonna do this and I'm so happy that I did. It feels so nice, super fun. Okay, so we're gonna get into all these things. Y'all, it probably looks really messy now because but that's fine. See, it's just, you can't really mess it up. So anyway, really excited about the shorter hair. Gosh, you guys, so many game changers. This thing, y'all are gonna flip when listen, I gave this thing a major side eye for a very long time. Okay, we've all seen it. If you follow anyone on Instagram that posts pictures of cutesy stuff in their bathroom, you've seen this. We're gonna talk, okay? Found a really good affordable one. That one is amazing. So yeah, you guys, all these things are available at Nordstrom. Super happy to be collaborating with them for another video today. Y'all know it's one of my favorite places to shop. So I just always love working with them. It always makes so much sense. These are things that I've bought from there anyways. So super excited to share. Let me show you how this guy works. This is an ultimate massager for your face. You will touch muscles and areas of your face that you didn't even know worked or existed. Lymphatic drainage, you guys. If your skin ever feels puffy or you just feel y'all know, we've all felt this is what you want, you guys. So, okay, so I use this morning and night before putting on any serum or anything, right? Just right over clean skin, and I look forward to it. I crave using this thing. This is cold. It's made out of quartz. Some of them are made out of jade, so naturally they're cold. It's just always ready. You don't have to keep it in the fridge, nothing like that. It's just a cold, beautiful stone. The idea is you wanna pull it up. Okay, let me show you. Use the big one on your face, roll it in upward motions, and when you apply that light pressure, especially around your jaw, oh my gosh, y'all, it feels so good. And you'll feel little muscles engaging all over your face. You might feel a little twitch or this or that, in a good way, right? You just roll upward. It doesn't take very long. You can do it along your neck, your jawline, flip it to the little small side, and then use along your eyes. It's so refreshing. I love using it on my eyes. It's you're rolling out the puffiness. Your eyes feel so cold and refreshed. It's just such a good feeling. So this is amazing. And yeah, morning and night I use it. I feel it kind of tones my face without using one of those that has electrical currents. Y'all know that's terrifying. I've talked about these several times, so we're gonna kind of breeze through it, but it is something that makes a big difference. These can be so gimmicky. These under eye patches, they can be thick and gel-like, which some of those work very well, but I really like this one because it's so papery thin. You see, when I apply it, I like to get it super close up under my eye. You can see your eye bags disappear with this, you guys. These are hyaluronic eye patches. It says they fill, they're anti-fatigue. Not kidding, you guys, these actually work. They make a huge difference. And this is my second box. Leave it on for 10 minutes, take it off, rub in the serum if there's any left, and you're good to go. It flattens that area out. Your lines disappear. It's like magic serum, you guys. Magic hyaluronic serum. It's so good. You just gotta rub it in. So nice. It just makes your eye area look so great. And then your concealer, your makeup, everything just goes on so much better. These little guys have become more than a treat for me. They have become a must. This is my second box of these. I'm ruined. They're so good. I'm gonna have to keep getting them. They're so good. I have been so excited to open this. Y'all, this has taken major restraint for me. This is another one of those things. It's not makeup. It's not, and I know, we're talking about a beauty blender. I'm not gonna review it. Y'all know I talk about it in every single video, but I just wanted to show y'all how cute this was. So it's a blind box. You open it up, you don't know what color it is. It could be one of these or the mystery color. Ooh, how cute. What's the mystery color gonna be? This is cute. The box should have looked like this almost, right? So, oh, there's something else in there. Oh, it's a blender cleanser. You get this solid cleanser too. Using this, I feel, makes such a difference in my skin because I'm not using like dirty brushes. I feel like, of course, you know, you could say, oh, it's a sponge. You gotta wet it every day anyways when you use it, and I just run soap over it and clean it. So I'm always using a clean applicator. Wow, it's pink. Did you guys expect that? So I didn't get the mystery one. Use a nice soap with it. The Beauty Blender Cleanser is just my favorite. It's like naturally antibacterial. It makes a big difference, you guys. Your skin won't break out, and you can shop for the most amazing foundation. If you watched my last video, you know I'm pretty serious about that, like with all the foundations that I tried on for you guys. Foundation makes a difference, but the way you apply foundation can totally like make or break it. So I've never found a foundation that I just don't like with a beauty blender. Try it, you guys, you'll love it. You gotta dampen it. That's why this one was so much bigger, because this is the one that I used today. You gotta dampen it, squeeze it out. It's just perfection. The Derma Flash. Y'all, this is something that I talked about a long time ago. It's the little like, it's kind of like, you know, if you can have like a professional like dermaplaning treatment where they shave your face. Basically, it gets the little peach fuzzies off, but it also gets the top layer of dead skin off. I don't need to do mine right now. I did mine maybe like 2 weeks ago, and I do it maybe once a month. It comes with a bunch of little razors. I haven't even gone through many of mine because you don't have to charge it every time you use it. I'll repeat that. It says to do that. You don't have to do that. So don't be afraid when you see it like, oh gosh, this is gonna be such an investment. I'm gonna have to be buying razors all the time. I've never even repurchased any. So I can get a couple uses out of one charge, even if it's like just sits on the shelf for like 2 or 3 weeks. You know what I mean? You just press the button again. So it vibrates a little bit and you kind of just work in little areas. I don't do my whole face. I just do this area right here that can get honestly a little like, this is my area I always have problems with, like getting dry right here. You know, when you put your foundation on, it can kind of like catch and look a little like bleh. If you have ever applied makeup like on a freshly, I don't want to say like shaven, because I don't shave my whole face. I just do this area and that. It's a game changer, you guys. It looks so good. Your makeup products go on better. Your skincare applies better and absorbs better. It gives your skincare like more like efficacy, I guess you would say. Like it works so much better. So they even have an updated version of this that has 2 speeds with the vibration. They've updated it to look a little better. So, but this is just my old trusty one. So try a Derma Flash, shave your face. You might be very pleasantly surprised. Something else that very much fits in with the theme of this video, face masks, right? So I've tried a whole bunch of different ones. I have a lot of different ones. I like different types for different things. I like ones that make my skin look glowy, plump. I like them that are clarifying, exfoliating. This one is gentle, yet it does all of those things. Like I said, I have a shelf full of those things, but if you wanted to really try one good one, this would be it. This is my 3rd one of these that I've repurchased over the years. It's the Resurfacing Mask by Tata Harper. It's a really nice like jelly consistency. You put it on, you just kind of pack it on, right? It just looks like a big like jelly face mask. It feels hydrating. Your skin feels like it's like drinking it up. Gives you an instant glow when you remove it. So you can use it morning or night. I love using things like that before makeup if you have the time. Using a face mask in the morning is really helpful. It has 3 sources of glow, 6 sources to smooth, soften, and texturize, and 4 sources to refine your pores. So I feel like it's got a little bit of everything. It's hydrating, it makes your skin look glowy, it's exfoliating, it's clarifying. You leave it on for about 20 minutes. I don't always have that time in the morning. So most of the time I use it at night. If you want just a nice all-in-one mask that's really gonna like prep your skin, make your skin look glowy and amazing, or you could use it at night like a treatment, check this out. I love that. We have to talk about this. I have used curling irons since, what kind of even statement is that? I've been using curling irons a very long time. It's my main way that I curl my hair. You could use more of like a straightener. You guys have seen me use like different tools. I always go back to my curling iron. I'm on like my 2nd day here, but I like it to look a little like, you know, I mean with short hair especially, like a little more messy, but I don't know what size it is exactly, but I will link to this exact one. This slides through your hair like butter. Like whenever you're doing your hair and like, okay, whenever you're doing your hair and you do that, okay, first of all, it's just smooth. I mean, it's not on right now, but when you get to this point, you know how you always can like snag, you know what I mean? You can feel it like snag a little right there. There's nothing on this to snag. It just, you could get your hair all the way up under that. I mean, it is crazy. Like there's nothing to snag. And I love the way that it comes on. Like you just turn this, you like bump it. And then I don't know if you can see those little lights. There's 5 lights and you just keep bumping it up to your like, however high you want it. I always keep it on 1 or 2. and it's actually quite beautiful on your counter if you care about stuff like that. But no, like I have never really invested in a good like curling iron. There's something to this. This is really cool. If you are looking for a good curling iron, I could not recommend this anymore. This is amazing. You will see a huge difference. And I like that it doesn't have like one of those stands. That thing is what can snag your hair. I mean, you can take those out, but then it's just like flopping all over the place. This has like rubber on it right there. And the way it's weighted, you can just sit it right on the edge and it like will not go anywhere. So it's so good. Your makeup mirror, you guys, it makes a difference, okay? This is a game changer. And also when I film, it can look a little pretty, you know, if it's like on. But you just plug it in, you charge it, you don't have to leave it plugged in all the time. And so when you get close to it, the little sensor picks you up and turns on. And this one is so good, y'all, because it has the magnifying side, but it also has a regular side, which I think is important. It has a really super magnification mirror. And then recently I just discovered that it turns into like a warm light too. So really cool. You don't think a lot of times where you're applying your makeup can make a difference. It really can. So consider investing in a little bit of a nicer makeup mirror. It looks nice on your counter. There's no cords. Stays charged for a really long time. You use it every day, right? Invest in something like that. That's a little nicer. Keeping your lips looking nice, you guys, is a big deal. This is by far my very favorite lip scrub, the Sarah Hap lip scrub. I've talked about it so much. This is the Vanilla Bean. It's probably my favorite. I also have the Red Velvet and I have the Peach one. They're so good. It's the best lip scrub you can find. I've used so many different lip scrubs. This one is just amazing. It's my all-time favorite. Just take a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. It not only gets all the dead skin off, which is obvious, gives them a little bit of moisture, a lot of moisturization. There's like good oils in there and stuff, but it makes your lips look bigger. It really gets like the circulation going, which my lips are very pale. If I use a good lip scrub, it really accentuates the line and really actually makes a difference. It's one of those things, it's not a makeup product per se, but it's something that's gonna make everything else look so much better. And then of course she's got like the Sweet Clay mask. This is my very favorite, just the lip balm, and then the nighttime lip balm, which is called the Dream Slip. So check out Sarah Hap's stuff, especially the scrub. One thing, if you just want to trust me on one thing, y'all pick this up. Like a little luxury you can do for yourself. It's like a face massage every single night and day. I don't want to say like I can't live without it, but it's like literally one of, it's probably my favorite like skin tool, favorite thing that I own right now. And it's so simple, and definitely check this particular one out because like I said, they can get very expensive. That one's a fraction of the cost of some of them that I found. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you enjoyed this little peek of these different things that you can definitely try to make all of the things that you already own look so much better. So thank you guys so much for watching. I had the best time today and I thought this was kind of fun, and yeah, try out some of these items. I will link to everything below. Thank you again to Nordstrom, and I will talk to you all very soon. Bye, you guys.